how are you all? I hope so you all are fine. You're watching my YouTube channel, Muhammad Faik, and today I am in the factory of hardware. As you can see around me, they made hardware of aluminium. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon and like the video. So without wasting much, Assalamu alaikum viewers. First of all, I'm gonna give you the review of all the machines as you are watching in this video. So you're watching my YouTube channel, Muhammad Faik. Subscribe my channel if you are new on my guys. As you can see, this is the automatic computerized peacemaking machine. Guys, as you can see the piece in my hand before molding. This piece is made of aluminium, original aluminium, and aluminium is very costly. And this is before molding. Piece look like this. And guys, my hands are too oily because they use oil for this making. Before and after, as you can see guys, even finishing to the holes, tight it or lose it. From it they are putting it in it and making holes. Before and after, as you can see guys, it is finishing to the holes. So guys, this was a review and tour of aluminium hardware factory. Subscribe my channel.